Wanna make lots of money? An online affiliate program just might be your answer. The internet is an amazing thing. Never before in history has making money been so easy. You have instant access to hundreds of thousands of people with just a couple clicks of a button. To be successful with your online affiliate program, you must know how to market a website. The first thing you should understand is that a website is an advertising tool. If used in combination with the various marketing ideas, you can make a hefty income in a relatively short amount of time. If you learn to properly use these pay-per-click search engines, it could mean thousands to your bottom line in just a couple weeks. Use them incorrectly, and you're out some cash quickly. Lucky for you, we will give you the inside scoop here. Just like all of the other elements of your marketing plan, website promotion can cost money. Fortunately, what you pay for the exposure is still dimes on the dollar compared to traditional advertising, but it is an expense nonetheless. Pay-per-click search engines are a great idea, although they can get quite expensive if you aren't careful. The main benefit of using a PPC is you are getting highly targeted visitors to your website, and you only pay when someone visits your site by clicking on that link. Opt-in newsletters are basically a service you offer on your website that lets people sign up to read about your valuable information. If you have knowledge about a topic that others could benefit from, you may do well with having a newsletter on your website. The first step is to gather a list of email addresses, and not just any list either. You have to get permission from the email address owner. Let me say this loudly, we are talking first-hand permission here. You can do that by offering a newsletter sign-up form on your site, by giving away monthly goodies, or by petitioning door to door. The key here is to rekindle in them a burning interest in your website offering. You can offer some sort of newsletter specials, industry news, how-to advice, etc. Once you have your list, schedule your email program so it is consistent and relevant to the needs and interests of your audience. Devoted advocates spread the word to their friends, relatives, and office chums. And it doesn't cost you a penny for all of this free advertising. If you do your job well, your reading audience will not only reorder, they will become advocates. You can also make good money from your newsletter once you get a couple of thousand subscribers. It is only a small amount of money if you look at how greatly it is going to benefit you in the long run, and offers things such as text for a pop-up window, the scripts that handle signing up new subscribers, letting people unsubscribe at any time, lets you send email to your subscribers, and more. Researching more about what all an affiliate program can do for you and for your financial growths is truly important, so dedication and remaining very determined is the key to your successful future. Thank you for watching. Please consider to subscribe and like. For more information, please visit the link below.